Right, I just need... Right, I need to...
Stop fucking about, I'm recording.
Oh, don't record.
Look at it, look at it. The poor fucking thing.
Donna!
Breaststroke. Go on, go.
Donna, no, they're just egging you on because they think it's...
Way! That's fucking brilliant. He's crawling along. Where you get up and walk, for fuck's sake? What is the matter with that woman? He's crawling along. There's fucking Veals disease and all kinds of shit in there. Taxi?
Don't just throw it, it'll land back in the water. You have to bring it over here.
Don't bring that. Yeah.
I'll wait till she gets here before I tell her she's not coming back in. Fucking vermin.
You're not barred at all. It's fine. Oh my god.
There's a corpse.
What's wrong there?
Yeah, shit. After you, mate.
This is hard work.
What's your name?
Donna.
Donna, how much wine have you drunk? Is anyone responsible for this Donna?
Yeah, she is. Oh my God.
Someone jump in and get the Donna. Sorry. You can make it up.
YouTube written all over it.
Donna, do you come here often?
Not from now on, I won't be doing it.
Yeah, mate, give her.
You have to give her a hand. You have to give her a hand.
Right, can somebody
You're
get
going to give her a
the
hand. Stick on the side, let it shoot her.
Donna, put it on the side, it might fly out.
No, it needs holding just until we get home. Cheers. Keep holding though.
Someone needs to have a
It's just a fucking pigeon that goes in there every day, isn't it?
It's really high.